Building a plow. Picked this up off Craigslist. Got me a winch. A trailer hitch mount. A snapper lawnmower. Bolted through with welds. And I got supports up here yonder. There's gonna be more. There's gonna be like 6 of them, but steel rods. The things I come up with, boys, I should be rich, I'm telling you. So anyways, this thing's gonna go like this. I have a hook on here. Put it right here to this kingpin thing. So when I want to pull it up, pulls it. It'll pivot here on a pin that goes through here. And that goes through here. Talk about redneck. Shit. That's some good shit, boys. Alright, let's look at this here. Blower fucking lost my blower thing. So what I do, I go to the Depot. No, Menards. Pick me up a rubber hosing 3 to a 4. Thing blows better now than it did with the thing on it. The cheap plastic thing that was on there. I ain't bullshitting. What else do I show you that I haven't made? Oh yeah. Made this chair. You know, I wanted to buy a rolling chair. Because, but they're fucking $40, $50 even at fucking Harbor Tool. You know, so I just cut down an old bar stool. You know, making shit happen.